Are you looking for the top 5 automotive power circuit probe testers? Which automotive power circuit probe tester is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can save you time and headaches when diagnosing electrical issues.
Product number 1, VDiag Tool V200 Pro. First up, we have the VDiag Tool V200 Pro Automotive Circuit Tester. At $89.99, this tool caught my eye not just for its price, but for its impressive functionality. If you want a reliable, all-in-one solution for diagnosing circuit problems, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a 2-in-1 design that acts as both a power circuit probe tester and a breaker finder. You can switch modes easily, allowing you to check anything from AC/DC voltage to continuity testing. The 20-foot extension cords let you work comfortably around your vehicle without feeling restricted. Plus, it covers voltages from 6 up to 42 volts, so it works for a wide range of vehicles, from cars to trucks. Now, some users have mentioned that the instructions can be a bit unclear, leading to initial confusion on how to use it properly. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it genuinely becomes an invaluable tool for diagnosing electrical issues quickly and accurately. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic looking for a solid circuit testing solution. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple tool to test basic voltage, as this might be
Product number 2, Ansbell Circuit Tester. Next, let's look at the Ansbell Power Circuit Probe Tester, priced at just $22.99. This is a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. If you're looking for a straightforward circuit tester without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth your attention. What makes this tool stand out is how user-friendly it is. It features a backlit LCD screen for real-time voltage readings, which is super handy when you're in tight spots. Plus, with a 14.7-foot flexible extension cord, it makes testing in various areas of your vehicle a breeze. It can detect short circuits, open circuits, and even bad ground connections, saving you time during repairs. However, some users have pointed out that it may not be as durable as higher-end models and could struggle with more complex diagnostics. But honestly, if you're just starting out or need something to handle light tasks, this should work just fine and does provide excellent value. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or someone who occasionally tinkers with.
Product number 3, Power Probe 3. Now, moving on to the Power Probe 3 Circuit Tester, which is available for $174.21. This tool is designed for serious automotive technicians. If you want a comprehensive diagnostic tool that can handle a wide range of electrical testing, this is definitely worth checking out. The Power Probe 3 is incredibly versatile, featuring a digital voltmeter and audible circuit monitoring. It allows you to not only test circuits, but also supply power and ground to components directly. This is a game changer when you're troubleshooting issues because it helps you activate components without needing extra tools. It supports 12 to 24 VDC systems, making it suitable for most vehicles. However, the higher price point might be a concern for some, especially if you're just starting in automotive repairs. But here's the thing. If you're serious about your work and need a reliable tool that can do it all, the investment pays off in terms of time and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you're a professional mechanic or someone who...
Product number 4, Autel PowerScan PS100. Next up, we have the Autel PowerScan PS100, priced at $71.99. This one has gained a lot of traction among both professionals and DIYers. If you want a balance of functionality and affordability, this tool is definitely worth a look. The PS100 is designed to reduce diagnostic time significantly. It supports various tests, including voltage, polarity, and continuity, and even allows for component activation. The built-in overload protection ensures you don't damage your vehicle's electronics while testing, and the 20-foot cables give you plenty of reach to work with. Plus, users rave about its intuitive interface, making it easy to use even for those less experienced. Some users have mentioned that the probe could be more sensitive when it comes to certain circuit tests, but honestly, the range of functions and the ease of use make this a valuable addition to any toolbox. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a...
Product number 5, iTech Circuit Probe Tester. Finally, let's check out the iTech Power Circuit Probe Tester, which is available for a budget-friendly $19.99. If you're looking for something extremely affordable that still gets the job done, this one's a great choice. The iTech tester is designed to quickly identify polarity and continuity in vehicle cables. It features an LED light for easy visibility and is suitable for all 6-volt to 24-volt automotive electrical systems. The overload protection is a nice touch, ensuring you don't blow circuits while testing. And with a long testing cable, you can easily access various parts of your vehicle. Some users have reported that the build quality feels a bit flimsy, which could be a concern for long-term use. However, if you're just doing occasional checks or repairs, this is a solid budget-friendly option. This is perfect for you if
So there you have it, the top 5 automotive power circuit probe testers. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a high-end diagnostic tool, there's something here for everyone. Choose based on your specific needs, and you'll be well equipped to tackle any electrical issue that comes your way.